So in this video we're going to look at a function module which can be used to get some sensitive information about the system. So for looking at the function module, we need to use transaction SE37. So access to this transaction should be restricted. The only limited number of people should have access. Okay, so you go to SE37. So you put in the function module get client remote. Okay, so execute that. Okay, so you are seeing 0. Okay, go back, execute again. Okay, so now you see one entry here. Okay, that's empty. Then now you see 7 entries here. Okay, so these are the number of clients available in the system. So when somebody gets, when a hacker gets access to this function module, you can basically execute and then get information on the number of clients available in the system. Okay, so it's very critical that some of the access to this sensitive function module should be restricted to only specific number of people. Okay, so there are other function modules also which users can execute. So let's say get. So if you want to see a lot of get information about the function modules, let's say system core system type, that. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Click on the link below to download a free tool to check your default user ID restrictions and vulnerabilities within the IDs in your all the target systems. Thank you.